Now, my dear students, today I am going to teach remaining part of the lesson A Letter to God. As you know that after destroying the cross, Lencho became very sad. His soul was filled with tear. He thought that his family would be hungry the whole year unless they found someone who could help him. Unless they found someone who could help them. Suddenly, his heart was filled with hope. Suddenly, his heart was filled with hope. He had firm faith in God. He had firm faith in God. He had believed in God so much. Lencho knew how to read and write. Lencho knew how to read and write. The following Sunday, he wrote a letter to God mentioning his destroyed crop and asked him for money as 100 pesos so that he could sow his field again and also lead his family lives. Then he put the letter in an envelope and addressed to God and went to the post office. He affixed a stamp on it and dropped it in the mailbox. As you know that postman and postmaster, postman is the man who delivered the letter door to door, and the postmaster is the head of the post office. The postman who took the letter out of the mailbox. The postman took the letter out of the mailbox, saw the letter to the postmaster and saw the letter. He started to laugh. He took the letter and went to the postmaster and he gave the letter that was addressed to God. In his whole life, there was no any address he had seen that was to God. He did not believe that any person may who can correspondence with God. After taking the letter, the postmaster also started to laugh. The employers in the whole post office, they started to laugh. Everyone in the post office had a hearty laugh. But immediately the postmaster realized the man's predicament and unshakable faith in God. But after some time, the postmaster became serious. He was very amiable fellow. He wanted to help the man who had a lot of belief in God, who had a firm faith in God. He thought that if they would unable to help this man, his believeness would be broken to God, because he decided to help the man. who had sent that letter. He decided to help the man. He discussed with his colleagues, and all of them decided to part with some money for an act of charity. He discussed with his colleagues, and all of them decided to part with some money for an act of charity. They collected money. Put it in an envelope and addressed to Lencho, and wrote a single word from God over the envelope. After collecting the money, they put all the money into an envelope and write a single letter on the envelope from God. The next day, Lencho went to the post office. The postmaster handed him the letter. Lencho was not surprised on receiving a letter from God. Lencho was not surprised on receiving a letter from God. He opened the envelope and started counting the money. But he became angry. There were only 70 pesos in the envelope, whereas he had asked for 100. He knew God could not have made a mistake. He knew that the God cannot do the mistake. Immediately, he wrote another letter to God, put in the mailbox, and went out.